This is a Marshall Stanmore speaker amplifier with a Bluetooth connection. I've seen multiple examples online about the crackling sound that occurs on these units when they are a few years old. I think this one is perhaps around 10 years old or something. It starts when the unit has warmed up, and it sounds as if there is something frying inside it. The sound increases, and all of a sudden it stops and the Bluetooth connection is lost. Reconnect and it happens again after a while. This makes the Bluetooth connection more or less useless. When disassembled, I first looked at the electrolytics, the larger ones, to see if they had a swollen top. But I couldn't find any. Swollen top on an electrolytic capacitor is usually a safe sign that the capacitor is bad. So anyway, I unsoldered and measured about 30 of the capacitors without finding anyone bad. So that was a blind alley. I back-engineered parts of the schematic for the secondary side of the power supply and tested a number of things, mostly decoupling and filtering capacitors, but nothing worked really. I, however, found out that the power supply shut down and subsequently restarted when the crackling noise maxed. And this caused the digital internal electronics and the Bluetooth to restart, losing the connection to the Bluetooth source. The power supply has a few sensitive points that reacts to touching. They are under this region, indicating that it's sensitive to electric disturbance. To make things harder, the problem only seems to occur within a rather narrow temperature interval, rather easily recreated with cautious use of a hot air blower. Say that the temperature should be about 40-50 degrees around here to develop the crackling sound. To make a long story shorter, I finally cut the power to the Bluetooth module and voila, the problem disappeared completely. A Bluetooth speaker without Bluetooth is not so useful, but this was a very good lead to what is causing the problem. So I restored the Bluetooth power and cut out a piece of single-sided circuit board laminate to cover the secondary side of the power supply, copper side up and copper-free side down, resting against the components, hence the tilt. After grounding the PCB in a few points, actually 1, 2, 3, 4. No, nothing here. After grounding it, I tested the unit for a whole day and the problem seems to be gone. The cause of the problem is probably some component degradation or something due to aging, making the circuitry more sensitive to disturbance. The theory here is that the Bluetooth module radio interferes with the sensitive parts of the power supply, this region. Making it unstable and causing the restart of the power supply, and the Bluetooth links goes down as well. The laminate protects, I think, the sensitive parts of the power supply from the Bluetooth radio interference, and it works again. There is no guarantee that this works for everyone. And there's no guarantee that it lasts for forever. but hopefully it can help someone. So good luck.